Every morning starts with peace of mind. From the moment the day begins, Lorex keeps your world connected. Lorex Connect gives you a full view of the moments that matter and the little ones you don't want to miss.
No, down.
Because leaving home doesn't mean letting go. And when something unexpected happens, you're there in an instant.
Hey, Bob, is everything okay over there?
Everything's great, son. Just calling, wondering what you like for dinner tonight.
How about chicken?
Stir-fried chicken coming up.
Okay, sounds great.
All right, love you.
Love you too.
A simple reminder that everything's okay.
No, sir. You stay here. I'll be back.
Your home moves. Life moves. And Lorex Connect moves with it. Because the best moments aren't the ones you watch. They're the ones you share. And when the day is done, privacy is always your choice. Day or night, Lorex gives you peace of mind. The Lorex Connect 2K Wi-Fi indoor pan tilt camera